Welcome to my channel. I am Shelly. Today we are doing a DIY antibacterial spray, great for your countertops and your children's toys. All natural. You're gonna love it. Keep watching. Okay, so first up at the Dollar Tree, I got this spray bottle and I filled it all the way almost to the top with water. And then I have my essential oils ready to go. We have rosemary oil, and I put in quite a few drops of each. The next is eucalyptus oil, which smells so fresh and clean. It's also super relaxing. Quite a few drops of those as well. The what I found on Pinterest says to do 8 drops of each, but I just I did a whole bunch. I don't know how many. And then I did lemongrass, which gave it such a beautiful citrusy scent that honestly put me in such a good mood, and you are really gonna love it. You could use orange, lime, citrus. I feel is the best oil to use for your cleaning, just because it like puts you in a great mood, and especially with mint, it just everybody has their preference. Citrus is definitely mine, but keep on watching if you want to see how well it performs. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button to watch my YouTube growth. I love making these types of videos. Also, let me know what you would like below, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I think this kind of spray is absolutely perfect for your child's toys. They get so gross, they're so slobbery, and they have crumbs everywhere, and their hands get gross. They put everything in their mouth. It'd be so nice to have a very natural, safe to use product for all of their toys that are not going to harm them, and you don't have to worry about it. The rosemary and eucalyptus and the lemon, or the citrus that you use, specifically lemon though, have antibacterial properties. So it's really good to use for that as well. You could also kick it up a notch by adding vinegar, and that really will add to the cleaning value as well. And once it dries, you don't smell it. Now, I used this on the mirrors in the bathroom, and at first I thought it worked really well. There was no evidence of streaking, and I was really blown away with how easy everything wiped up on the mirror. However, the next day I did see some like cloudiness, so I would think that's from the oil. So I don't recommend it on the mirrors. But if you use like the Method spray, that's also a really good product that is free and clear. So just a tip there. We were just trying it out, seeing how I like it. I am obsessed with Clorox wipes and Lysol wipes. I am shocked that this satisfied me enough. And I've got to tell you, I love it on my counters. Absolutely love it. I even used it on my floors later that day because I don't know if it was like the aroma or what, but I went nuts for this spray. I used it all over the whole house. I spared you that video. I have tons of other cleaning ones if you want to see that, but it really worked really well. With just the water, you'd be surprised with how great it picks up and wipes up things that are caked on. It actually works really well. This candle I got from Marshall's. It was only a few dollars and it smells so good. And then I have Bath & Body Works, the Maui scent hand soap, and it smells so stinking good. What are your favorite candle and hand soap scents? I would love to know. Everybody has such a different style and taste. I find it interesting. I always go for tropical scents and like citrusy scents, like I already said. I just love it. This antibacterial DIY spray honestly made my sinks sparkle, and they just looked so clean. And can I tell you, my house smelled so amazing over the weekend because like I said, I cleaned everything. But it is so yummy, this smell. I totally recommend it. Let me know if you try it. Go find me on Instagram. It's at shelly.laughs. And I would love to see your creations and let me know what oils you put together. I would love to try more out. I'm very intrigued. I love this whole new idea of DIY safe and really affordable products to use around the house. And of course, please like this video if you liked it, share it to your friends, and also subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great week. Bye, guys.